In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download MT4 or MT5 on any Mac. If you're looking to get started with trading on a Mac, you've come to the right place. MetaTrader 4 or MT4 and MetaTrader 5 or MT5 are popular platforms for trading Forex, analyzing financial markets, and using expert advisors. However, downloading and installing them on a Mac can be a bit tricky, but don't worry, I'll guide you through the process step by step. To begin, you'll want to open your favorite web browser. Once you're on the internet, head over to your search engine of choice and type in Download MT4 MT5 for any Mac. You should see a list of search results. Click on the link that mentions downloading MetaTrader 4 for various devices like PC, iPhone, iPad, and Android. This will ensure you're directed to the right page with the software you need for Mac OS. Once you've arrived at the correct page, look for the Mac OS download option. This is crucial because MT4 and MT5 both need specific handling when installed on an Apple computer compared to more straightforward installations on PC. Clicking this option will start the download process specifically for Mac. While the software is downloading, it might take a few moments, so this is a good time to ensure your Mac is ready for installation. Make sure any previous installations of MT4 or MT5 are removed to avoid conflicts. It's also wise to check you have enough storage space on your device and your system is up to date to ensure a smooth installation. After the download completes, find the downloaded file. It will likely be in your Downloads folder, but that can vary based on your browser's settings. Open the file, and you should see the installation wizard pop up. Follow the prompts provided by the wizard. It's typically as simple as dragging the MT4 or MT5 icon into your Applications folder. Once copied over, navigate to your Applications folder and double-click the MT4 or MT5 application to launch it. You might encounter a security prompt since the application is not directly from the App Store or a recognized developer. You can permit it by going into your System Preferences, navigating to Security and Privacy, and selecting Open Anyway. Allow your new trading software a moment to launch, and once open, feel free to log in with your broker details. This step is crucial to gain full access to the various features offered by MT4 or MT5 on your Mac. And there you have it. You're now set up to explore the world of trading using MT4 or MT5 on your Mac. I hope this guide has been helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or run into any issues during installation, feel free to leave a comment and I'll do my best to assist. Thank you for watching.